In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook dating profile on Android. First, you will want to open the Facebook app on your Android device. Look for the familiar blue icon with a white F in the center. Tapping on this icon will bring you to your Facebook home screen. This is where you can access all the features Facebook offers, including dating. Make sure you are logged into your account, otherwise you may be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you are in, you will see your newsfeed and various options available to you. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for accessing all the features you need to manage your account. Now you will tap on the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This icon is usually located at the top right or bottom right of the screen, depending on your app version. Tapping on this will open a sidebar or a new screen with various options related to your Facebook account. The menu is your gateway to different sections of the app, including groups, events, and settings. Finding this icon is essential to navigate smoothly to the dating section, so take a moment to ensure you tap the correct icon. From there, scroll down until you find the dating option and tap on it. This section is specifically designed for those looking to connect with potential matches. Once you tap on dating, you will enter a new interface dedicated to this feature. Here you will see your dating profile and other related options. It is important to locate this section as it is where all the actions related to your dating profile take place. This is an exciting step because it brings you closer to managing your dating preferences. Next up, look for the settings icon, represented by a gear symbol in the top right corner of the dating screen. Tapping this icon will take you to the settings for your dating profile. This is where you can make adjustments to your profile, preferences, and even delete your account if you choose to. Accessing the settings is vital because it consolidates all the important options you need in one place. Once you tap the gear icon, you will be ready to take the next steps in managing your profile. Under the account section, you will see an option that says Delete Profile. Tap on this option to proceed. This step is significant because it indicates that you are ready to remove your dating profile from Facebook. When you choose to delete your profile, you are taking control of your online presence and ensuring that your dating information is no longer available to others. This action is about your comfort and privacy, so it's essential to be certain about your choice here. Tap Delete Profile again to confirm your decision. This is a crucial moment. You are affirming that you want to proceed with the deletion. After this step, you may see a notification or confirmation message indicating that your profile has been deleted successfully. This reassurance is important as it confirms that your action has been completed. Finally, confirm your choice to delete your profile. This final confirmation is your last chance to ensure you really want to go through with the deletion. Once you confirm, your dating profile will be removed from Facebook. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your information is no longer accessible. Remember, once deleted, you will not be able to recover that profile. This is a significant decision, but rest assured that you have the power to manage your online presence effectively.